There are sellers making thousands of dollars every single month selling AI art as digital downloads on Etsy. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of Etsy shops from the sellers in the AI Art Sellers Collective, and the one thing I've seen time and time again is that success on Etsy depends on the intersection between quality and quantity. And that is why I spent the last 2 years building Downpour, the bulk upload software for Etsy sellers. Downpour allows you to upload dozens to hundreds of listings all in one click on autopilot, and it even writes all your SEO for you, including your titles, tags, descriptions, and more. Now, when you're uploading that many digital products, there is nothing worse than your internet dying in the middle of a massive upload. So today, I want to share a brand new wave of upload improvements, plus a couple quality of life updates that make the entire process smoother than ever before. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Today, I want to share a brand new update inside of Downpour that makes things smoother than ever before. So as of today, we have some brand new updates live inside of Downpour, and we have a cute little baby CIA document here to walk through everything. First up, if you've never heard of Downpour before, this is the bulk upload software for Etsy sellers. Like I mentioned, you can upload dozens to literal hundreds of listings all in one drag and drop. We've spent the last 2 years building out this system, and today it includes titles, tags, files, mockups, every single piece of your Etsy listing, all done for you on autopilot. So instead of spending hours uploading everything through Etsy's website, you can just kick off an upload with Downpour and go run and get some spaghetti or fettuccine alfredo or whatever you want to do. And the best part is that all of this is included inside the AI Art Sellers Collective. Now today I want to talk about something very important for a bulk upload software, and that is actually dead Wi-Fi. You might not think about this with an upload tool, but situations like this are extremely important for Downpour to handle gracefully. So in today's new update, if your Wi-Fi ever dies, Downpour will pause instantly. It'll even pop up with a nice little message saying that it's paused and it lost connection, and it'll actually retry everything and pick it right back up when the internet comes back online. Now, like I mentioned, we've spent the last 2 years building Downpour, so there is a ton of upload reliability already baked into the system. But I'm super proud of this one, and it's the reason I'm making this video today. So let's walk through one particular sneaky case. Let's say you're connected to some hotel Wi-Fi, maybe it's not the best. So the Wi-Fi says connected, but there's no connection whatsoever. Downpour has now been upgraded to notice this within minutes, and it is as fast as humanly possible with actually pausing these uploads and letting you know. And now with today's updates, Downpour's uploading is now more reliable than almost any other software out there. Uploading is extremely important, and now with these recent updates, it rivals softwares like Google Drive for reliability with your uploads. And again, the whole point here is to save you time. So if you ever do lose your connection, it'll let you know right away, which maybe you're in the middle of nowhere and you have no connection whatsoever, but at least you know, and you can go take a break and get some shrimp scampi. So just wanted to take a second to talk about this. Again, the goal is you actually don't even notice these updates. It's just all reliability improvements on the back end. But I get excited by stuff like this, so I want to share it in this video. And if you've made it this far, there are a couple other quality of life improvements as well. These are small but mighty, but for example, the description box in bulk upload you can now drag as tall as you want. Static images, videos, and files now have little chips that tell you if their spot is being overridden. This is great for sale images or info cards or whatever you like. And now, right inside of Downpour, you'll see a nice little badge that shows that that spot is being overridden. So just a quality of life improvement, but stuff like that really makes a difference. And on that note, if you ever are uploading something that Downpour doesn't like, maybe you try to upload a folder with no images inside of it, Downpour's warning messages will now stick around a little bit longer so that you have plenty of time to read them. And finally, to put a bow on things, you may have noticed this in the settings screen inside of Downpour, but there's a new section for your Downpour stats. So these are some performance dashboards you can see right inside of your settings, all tailored to you and your specific shops. And even though this exists in settings, you can also go to the dashboard and click on this pill at the very top to see even more metrics related to your Downpour. And finally, if you do want to dig into your Etsy shops even further, there is a performance page at the top left of Downpour where you can dig into your actual stats and numbers for your real Etsy shops. So all in all, everything we covered in this video is just extra coats of paint and polish on top of Downpour. I've said it before, but in my 10+ years of programming, I know it's the little details that really make a software like this. So that is one of the reasons I'm nonstop with quality of life updates like this, because on top of actually having Downpour save you time and then generate traffic and sales, like with the new Pinterest automation, at the end of the day, we want it to be a pleasant experience using the software as well. So on that note, if you ever have a quality of life improvement, even if it's something as simple as dragging the description box to make it taller, please let me know. You can either post in the AI Art Sellers Collective community or send me a DM message directly. We take every piece of feedback super seriously, so don't hold anything back. I would love to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, we'll keep it rolling here with the most powerful upload software for Etsy sellers. Like I mentioned, we have just released our Pinterest automation, and in its first 2 weeks, we've already posted and scheduled over 10,000 pins, and we have some pretty exciting stuff planned for the later half of 2026. So thank you again for watching. If you want to try Downpour, check out the AI Art Sellers Collective community down below. Everything is included. Otherwise, just thank you again for watching, and thank you for sharing your feedback, and I will see you in the next one.